Bloch Low Heel Ballroom Dance Shoe Review. Looking for a good ballroom dance shoe that won't kill your feet? Check out Bloch's Low Heel option. These shoes are perfect for students who are just starting out, or for those who need a more comfortable dance shoe. Watch on for our review to see if they're the right fit for you. Overview. Bloch has been making high-quality dance shoes for over 80 years, and the Low Heel Ballroom Dance Shoe is no exception. Made from 100% leather, this shoe is designed for both comfort and durability. The wide, low heel provides stability and makes it a great choice for styles like swing, cha-cha, rumba, and salsa. The cushioned insole and flexible outsole make this a comfortable shoe that moves with the foot. Whether you're a social dancer, student, or teaching professional, the Bloch Low Heel Ballroom Dance Shoe is an excellent choice for all your dancing needs. Features. Comfortable, features a wide, low heel and cushioned insole for superior comfort. Durable, made from 100% leather for long-term use. Flexible, outsole moves with the foot for a natural feel. Suitable for multiple styles, perfect for swing, cha-cha, rumba, and salsa. Who is this dance shoe for? The Bloch Low Heel Ballroom Dance Shoe is a great choice for beginner to intermediate dancers or anyone who needs a more comfortable shoe. The low heel provides stability, while the cushioned insole and flexible outsole make this a comfortable shoe that's easy to dance in. How to choose the right size. To choose the right size Bloch Low Heel Ballroom Dance Shoe, simply measure your foot and compare it to the size chart. If you're between sizes, we recommend ordering the larger size for a more comfortable fit. How to break in this shoe. This shoe is made from 100% leather and is designed to be comfortable and durable. To break in the Bloch Low Heel Ballroom Dance Shoe, simply wear them around the house for a few hours or take them for a spin on the dance floor. Once they're broken in, they'll be sure to provide you with hours of comfortable dancing. The pros. Comfortable. Durable. Flexible. Suitable for multiple styles. Cons. Some customers claim the quality of the brand has gone down. About Bloch. Bloch is a world-renowned dance brand that offers classic, fashionable, and high-quality dancewear for all types of dancers. The brand was founded by Jacob Bloch, a talented shoemaker who emigrated to Australia during the height of the Great Depression. Jacob's love of music and dancing took him to the local ballet schools, where he noticed a young dancer struggling to stay in point. He promised he would make her a better pair of point shoes, and so he did. Jacob's reputation for making high-quality dance footwear spread rapidly, and his shoes became so well-known and sought after that it sparked the creation of a full range of dance footwear and dance fashion products. The brand grew rapidly and now offers an extensive range of products for all types of dancers, from beginners to professionals. Whether you're looking for your first pair of ballet slippers or the perfect leotard to wear to your next competition, Bloch has something to suit everyone. Conclusion. The Bloch Low Heel Ballroom Dance Shoe is a great choice for beginner to intermediate dancers or anyone who needs a more comfortable shoe. The low heel provides stability, while the cushioned insole and flexible outsole make this a comfortable shoe that's easy to dance in. If you're looking for a well-made, durable, and stylish dance shoe, the Bloch Low Heel Ballroom Dance Shoe is a great option. Order your pair today and be ready to hit the dance floor in style. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more dance tips, subscribe to the channel.